do is adore you all of the time. I like to.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 recipes that are going to help you stay on track and meet your goals throughout the week. They're super easy. One is going to be a protein, one is going to be a snack or dessert, and then the other is going to be an easy way for you to get your greens in. I'm going to link the recipes below so that you can see them, and I hope you get some ideas, and keep on watching if you want to see more from me. like pasta. Like I'll do this as my side salad for pasta, but it is so tangy and so like sweet and fresh. I just love it. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna make is the chia seed pudding. You can kind of make this any way you want, like you can add certain things, but I'm gonna do like a little chocolate twist on it today. I'm just kind of filling some chocolate, I don't know. So yeah, it's super easy and it's so refreshing. Okay, I am now in a hoodie because it got chilly in the house in the summertime, whatever. But so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you get some ideas. And if you want to see more from me, please like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the flip side.
I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.